Alright, simple tapping exercise. Okay, this involves barring all 4 strings here, and we're going to be tapping on the 12th fret, okay, for all these 4 strings. And the notes that we're hitting is going to be the 10th fret, then the 9th on this string, then the 10th on this string, and then the 9th. We're just moving all that like that. So essentially we're just going back and forth, and that's going to help your coordination. And you just start on the 12th. We're going to do it without distortion so you can see what's going on. So it's tap, pull off, hammer on, tap, pull off, hammer on. Now the toughest part for this is to make sure you're palm muting as much as you can to not let that noise ring out when you're hitting those notes, and try to get it as clean as possible. So let's give it a shot. Alright, pro tip. So in order, sometimes I get confused when I'm starting. So I usually like to think of when I'm going to hit this note here, because it helps me hit this upper note here. It's more of a mental thing for me. You might be able just to do it better the way you're playing it and how you think about it, but that's how I get through it, because it can be very, if you've never done it before, going here and then interchanging between those strings can be very hard to do. But that's it. If you want more help and you want some taps for this, let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next one.